Hi friends, welcome to VCreations Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about how to install the TypeScript in our machines, or even if we can say how to create our environmental setup to run our TypeScript program in our machine. So to install the TypeScript, basically two things are required. First one is the installing the Node.js, and second one is the installing TypeScript itself. So basically the Node.js is an open source platform, and if you can see here in the screen, so this is the Node.js official website, and this is the official website of Node.js. And whenever you just come to this website, so just go to the home section, and here you can see our latest Node.js version is 12.16.3, which is the LTS, and 14.2.0 is the current version. So whenever just come to the website, go to the download sections, and here you can see my LTS version is 12.16.3, which also includes this npm version 6.14.4. and here the Node.js contains various versions, like it supports 32-bit as well as 64-bit, and also it support in multiple operating system like Windows operating system, Macintosh operating system, as well as Linux operating system. So based on your computer configuration, just select what is the required thing. So here in my machine I have a Windows operating system, and which is 32-bit. So just click on this link, so it will just download the required software. So the software will come in the MSI format. So I have already downloaded the software. So this is my software. So just double click on it, and click on run. Then click next. Click on I accept the agreement. Again click next. Again click next. Click next. Click next. Now just click on the install button. So based on our network connectivity, it will take some time. Based on network connectivity, it will take some amounts of minute, and after that it will successfully install the Node.js. So here my Node.js installation completed. So just click on finish button, and now we will see whether in our computer whether the Node.js version, so what is the Node.js version and whether the correct version is installed or not. And to check, just go to the command prompt, okay. So now just type node, then -v. So here we are just checking what is the Node.js version. Now I'm just pressing enter. So here you can see it is showing 12.16.3, so which is the same version we installed. So now our next topic, now how to install the TypeScript. And to install the TypeScript, just go to the command prompt and type npm install -g TypeScript. So here I will just type npm install -g TypeScript. So basically the npm is nothing but about our node package manager. So here we are just installing the TypeScript, and this -g means we are installing the TypeScript globally. But let's say if I just want to install the TypeScript in a particular folder, then we need to just remove that -g, and we need to go to that folder, and when we'll just type npm install TypeScript, then the TypeScript will install that particular version in that particular folder. So here I have already installed my TypeScript, so I'm just not installing again. And to check what is the TypeScript version. So just we need to type tsc then -b. So it will show you what is the version of TypeScript. Thank you.